Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. I, Sanvi Rao, am honored to serve as the head girl of the middle school at Delhi Private School, Sharjah. Being the head girl is not just about a prestigious title. It's about being someone who embraces challenges and strives to bring about a positive impact. My vision as head girl is simple yet impactful, to inspire each and every Dipside and ensure that they feel valued in reaching their full potential. As we embark on this new journey, let us work collaboratively and uphold the motto of our school, service before self.
If your actions inspire others to dream more, do more, learn more and become more, you are a true leader. DPS Sharjah cultivates Anna's talent by giving students opportunities to exercise their leadership and take initiative. As your head boy of middle school, I want to help every student to enrich themselves and discover the rivers of potential waiting within them to be unleashed. This year, we plan to tirelessly toil to make those rivers of capability into a sea of success for our school. So, let's take middle school to greater heights this year.
Leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It's about one life influencing another. I, Tia Sarabiju, your mindset girl of middle school, believe in fostering an inclusive environment where every student's voice matters. Together, we'll cultivate connections, celebrate diversity, and overcome challenges. By embracing our strengths and nurturing friendships, we'll strive to build a collaborative community that encourages growth and learning.
Leadership is more than just a title. It's about making a meaningful impact and guiding others to achieve their best. My name is Dinesh Marjanthiraman, and I'm honored to serve as the OI's head boy. My goal is to cultivate a school environment where everyone is valued, supported, and motivated to achieve their best. Let's work together to turn challenges into opportunities, create significant impact, and make unforgettable memories. Let's work together to elevate DPS Sharjah to new heights. Thank you.
A leader is the one that knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. This quote by John C. Maxwell perfectly encapsulates my kind of leadership. Greetings. My name is Yukti Sharma and I am your President of Student Council for this year. As your President, I will try to become the bridge between the students and the school administration. To me, leadership is not about holding a position, but rather it is about the actions that we take. So now, together, let's embark on this journey. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Vihan Hassan, your middle school President Student Council. ASAP is my middle name and I work to ensure quick and combined collaboration between all the parts of the student body, such as technology, environment, editorial, cultural, you name it. No voice unheard, no promises unkept, and always open for suggestions. This is Vihan signing in as your PSD for the year 2024-25.
A great leader translates vision into reality, even when a person's vision seems like a dream. I believe that our school is not just a place of academic learning, but also a hub of extracurricular activities that encourage a light of inspiration amongst our students. I, Durba Narkar, stand before you as President Cultural Society with immense pride and excitement, ready to tackle any challenge that comes my way. Thank you.
Culture is a vibrant network that emerges from our human experiences. I, Ahmed Sayyed, President of the Cultural Society, aim to foster inclusivity and cultural exploration. With my team, I will innovate interactive experiences that showcase the hidden talent and enhance the personalities of fellow Dipside. Let us unite and weave our unique backgrounds, creating something remarkable. Together, we can make the difference.
To write is human, to edit is divine. Hi, I'm Edna Nima Burgess, the editorial president for the year 2024 to 25. Our school blog is not just a collection of articles, it's a collection of voices, and we are poised to capture every moment, from school spectacles to student triumphs. Together, let us weave enchanting tales and make this year memorable. Thank you.
Writers do not merely interpret and reflect life, they inform and shape life. I, Arav Mehta, President Editorial, aim to unlock fellow Dipsides' writing potential and invite all the budding writers to write articles, poems, and short stories on any topic. Remember, there are no wrong answers in this world, only great stories waiting to be written. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Bhakti Hegde, your Environment President for the year 2024-25. Sustainability is something I'm passionate about. It is an extension of who I am.
I believe that together we can create a wave of change. And all we need are small steps at a time to save and heal the planet. Join me in taking action to save our environment. Together, we can create a difference for our planet's future.
Good morning, everyone. As your President Environment, I, Abdullah Khan, stand before you with a sense of responsibility and purpose. Our planet faces unprecedented challenges from climate change to pollution, and it's up to us to take action. We must recognize the immense power we hold as individuals and community. Every choice we make has an impact on the world around us. Whether it's reducing waste, conserving energy, or advocating for sustainable practices, every change can make a difference.
The key to having a healthy lifestyle is having a healthy mindset, as said by Richard Davidson. I, Asna, your President Wellbeing for the year 2024-25. I'm honored to stand before you. Well-being isn't just about feeling good physically, it's about feeling fulfilled, mentally, emotionally, and socially. My role is to ensure that each one of you feels engaged. Your well-being is my priority. It matters to me and to all of us. Together, let's build a future where well-being is not just a goal, it's a responsibility. Thank you.
Well-being is not just a word, it's a way of life. It encompasses physical, mental and emotional health as well as the overall happiness and harmony of our school community. As President Wellbeing, I, Adil Shah Abdul Rahman, promise to create a safe and inclusive environment where everyone's voice can be heard, valued and supported. Together, we can create a welcoming environment where everyone can thrive and succeed.
Hello, I am Asu. As a new tech president, I am ready to lead our journey into the future. Technology is crucial for tomorrow's world, and embracing it is essential. So let us seize this opportunity to transform our school into a hub of innovation and collaboration and write the next chapter of our school success. I am here to ensure our tech initiatives thrive. From project management to troubleshooting issues, you can count on me to keep us on the cutting edge. My goal is to foster learning and drive innovation. I will also incorporate technology in our school lessons to enhance the learning experience. So let us embrace the challenge and embrace the future. Thank you.
Any sufficiently advanced enough technology is inseparable from magic, is a quote by famous technologists. My name is Pranav Sarnair and I'm the middle school tech leader for this year 24-25. Part of my role is to foster the technological environment in our school and make sure there is awareness on e-safety and AI. Together, let's make this year a fantastic year. Thank you.
Greetings. I am Vaishnavi Singh, stand before you as middle school sports captain at Delhi Private School, Sharjah, with a simple yet profound belief. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, and that courage starts from you. In this community, I see each one of you as the backbone of our success. Together, let's harness the power of unity, teamwork, and discipline that sports instill in us. My mission is to ignite encouragement and motivation in every student. Together, let's make this year a symphony of excellence with the harmony of teamwork and the melody of success. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Taha Boryawala and I am the President Sports for Middle School for the year 2024-25. I believe sports is something that everyone can enjoy. It's just a matter of finding your inner passion to cherish it. I want to help each and every person find their true joy in sports by uniting them as a team and empowering them to strive for excellence. I want to be each person's friend and guide to show them the path through difficult times. Now, let's lace up our sneakers, embrace the thrill of competition, and make this year one to remember. Thank you.
My name is Daksha Sujit. I am this year's happiness prefect for the year 2024-2025. I acknowledge the challenge of evoking tears and giving them genuine happiness. And my unwavering beliefs lies in fostering joy in the lives of others through the simple act of kindness and empathy. Thank you.
Hello, very folks. Delighted to meet you all. I'm Sharon Khan, proudly serving as your dedicated happiness. My mission? Inspire, uplift, and spread joy in every corner of the world. Let's embark on this village and make it community better. Thank you.
Nothing worth having comes easy. I, Andrea Mary Sanju, the house prefect of Amazon, ensure you that everyone will have equal opportunities and the courage to move forward. My confidence and experience help me to guide my peers along the way. I promise you that this year is going to be the most fantastic and most memorable year for each and everyone. Thank you.
Leadership is an action, not a position, was rightly said by Donald McGinn. Leaders always think to grow the people around them and make sure that positivity is built for the people. I believe to work smartly for the house selected and make sure that all students come forward and participate in different house activities. I, Kavan Mehta, your newly elected Amazon House Prefect for 2024-25, take a pledge to promote well-being, cooperation and optimize our efforts. With our combined efforts, we will take our house to greater heights.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a prefect of Amazon House, I promise to be a voice for all students and ensure your concerns are heard. I will lead by example, promoting integrity, respect and teamwork while fostering a safe and inclusive environment where everyone feels valued. Thank you.
I'm Vaishnav, prefect of Amazon House. I am committed to fostering a positive, inclusive school environment where every student feels valued and heard. As a prefect of Amazon House, I assure you that I perform my duties at utmost sincerity and discipline. I will also ensure that I am always approachable for any concerns or suggestions. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Thank you.
Humbled by the opportunity to lead, I, Hana Mariam, stand before you as a newly appointed Dandy Post Prefect for the academic year 2024-25. Leadership to me isn't merely about issuing commands. It's about illuminating the path by example. I'm dedicated to fostering an inclusive environment where every voice resonates, where each effort is cherished, and where every individual feels valued. So let's unite our strengths, honor each other, and together ensure that Daniel comes out on top.
I'm proud to be the part of the prefectorial team for 2024-25. As the prefect of Daniel House, I'm committed to coordinating and assisting with any initiatives or activities where input is needed. Our goal is to create an inclusive environment where every student feels valued and heard. We will work diligently to foster a sense of community, encourage open communication, and promote a culture of respect and collaboration. We aim to enhance the overall school experience for everyone. Together, we can achieve great things and build a stronger school community.
Hello everyone, I'm Heather Umretwala and I'm excited to be a prefect at our prestigious school. My goal is to create a positive and inclusive environment, listen to your ideas and support school activities. I'll work to promote respect and responsibility among students. I'll also help organize fun and engaging activities to boost our school spirit. I plan to be approachable and open to feedback. Let's work together to make our school amazing.
Dear Daniel House members, my name is Oscar Fernandez and I stand before you not just as a leader but as a steward of our collective journey. Leadership isn't merely about authority, it is about accountability and service. I urge each one of us to embrace responsibility, not as a burden, but as an opportunity to shape our community's future. I pledge to lead with integrity, guide with empathy, and stand tall in the face of challenges. Together, let's build a legacy of excellence, founded on the pillars of leadership and responsibility.
As the saying goes, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Hello everyone, I am Sarah Gula, your newly elected Prefect for Indus for the year 2024-25. As a Prefect, I am dedicated to upholding the values of our school and creating a positive environment. I believe in the teamwork and collaboration to bring positive changes to this school. As a prefect, I will listen to your concerns and ideas and make the school the best it can be.
As a prefect, it is my responsibility to help my peers and set a good example for them. I hope to motivate all of my fellow peers and encourage them to participate in competitions and activities. One of my main goals as a prefect is to be accessible and approachable to all students. Whether it's questions, queries, doubts, concerns, or even suggestions to improve our school, my door is always open. I, Harshini Muttu, the prefect of this house, assure you that I perform my duties with utmost sincerity and discipline.
Hello, esteemed faculty and fellow students. I am Sri Sudhir, your new Indus House Prefect. I stand before you with a promise to serve, inspire, and lead with integrity. I will strive to be the person you can look up to, not only in triumphs but also through challenges. My actions will reflect the values of our house: perseverance, respect, and teamwork. As your house prefect, I will be there to support you, to cheer you on, and to celebrate every step of our collective success. Thank you, and let's make this year remarkable. Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Chakra and I'm thrilled to be your Indus lead for this year and I'm grateful for the amazing bunch. My mission is to have a blast and to aim for greatness. Let's be the dream team that supports each other and makes this year a blockbuster hit. If you have any ideas or want to join in on the fun, please shoot me up. I'm all ears and let's make this year a legendary year for Indus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Maisha Qureshi and I'm honored to be House Prefect of Nile House for this year. I will lead with empathy and dedication and will strive to make DP Sharjah a place where leaders are made. My goal is not only to make this year successful but also memorable. Let's foster a spirit of teamwork and respect for our strength lies in unity. Together, we can create an environment where everyone can shine. Thank you.
With great enthusiasm and honor, I invite you to stand before you today as the newly appointed Nile House Prefect for the academic year 24-25. It is a privilege I hold and I am deeply committed to serving our community with responsibility and dignity. As your leader, it is my responsibility to encourage all students to reach their fullest potential.
Hello everyone, I am Umair Mohiuddin, a proud Nile House Prefect, and I am honored to lead such a talented and vibrant group of individuals. As a prefect, I am committed to fostering a spirit of unity, excellence, and enthusiasm within our house. Together, we will strive into greatness, support each other, and make this year one of the most memorable and successful for Nile House. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Amir Santosh and today I'm here as your Nile House Prefect to help us all communicate better. I'll act as a bridge between the students and the faculty and also make sure to push everyone to do their best in school and help everyone to be respectful and honest. Together, let's make this an awesome year for Nile. Thank you.